Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to Van Cleef and Arpels to try on a few items that I haven't checked out before, and I'll take you guys with me. I filmed this vlog when I went to Van Cleef to pick up my recent purchases, which I also unboxed on my channel. And if you guys haven't watched this video, I will link it down in the description box below. I hope that you will like this video. By the way guys, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. Please consider subscribing to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it, and also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is the same as my YouTube account, which is black and gold style. Please also consider checking out my other playlists. I have posted quite a few videos about Dior, jewelry, weekly vlogs, style and fashion, Chanel bags, luxury shopping vlogs, beauty products, and travel videos. I have also created a new section on my YouTube channel called Luxury Tips and Mistakes. I'll be sharing more of this kind of content and I hope you will find it interesting. I wanted to try on some of the new items that I haven't checked before and I'll show them to you. I really like these rings, they are so pretty, and the bracelets look quite nice. These are new, and I also have the original size that I'll show to you as well. I really like Perlee collection. I'll probably move to this collection after I finish with Alhambra and with my favorite free wall collection. The original size of the bracelet is actually in pink gold, and the other one are in white gold and yellow gold. And yellow gold and white gold are probably my favorite metals. At least they suit me the most. Anyways, here is the first one. I think it's very pretty. Actually, when I saw pictures of it, I wasn't sure, but trying it on in real life, I think it's not bad. I like it. And together with the ring, it's quite pretty. Together they look so dainty and feminine. I like them a lot. I think I could wear this kind of items on a daily basis. It's not too much because of the thickness. This style is something that I definitely did not expect to like, and the same happened with my Alhambra necklace in onyx. And now I'm just so in love with onyx, I keep reaching for it. I feel like the same could happen with this too as well. And let me show you the yellow gold combination. So pretty. Which ones do you prefer? Do you prefer the yellow gold or the white gold that I showed to you before? Or do you prefer the pink gold? Please let me know in the comment section down below. I'm very curious to see what you're going to say. I really like reading your responses. I always read every single comment. I really like the combination of both of these metals. I like this look the most, and even the rings look so good together. Lately, I really like mixing metals. I prefer to mix yellow gold and white gold. I feel like it looks so fresh and so youthful. Such a gorgeous combination. Although I'm not sure if I would be able to wear the thin version of Perlee with my Cartier Love. I feel like my Love doesn't look great with Perlee. They just look so different together. But I feel like I like both styles equally. I will show to you in a second how it looks with my Cartier Love. Okay, when I pair them like that, they don't look great, but if I would pair the yellow gold bracelet and my Cartier Love, I think it would look much better. And here it just looks a bit too much. But if I just pair two of them, it kind of reminds me of Cartier thin small bracelet. It's not that bad. Anyways, here is the bracelet that is currently on my wish list. Actually, I want to get a necklace, but it's not available in the store. And I want the one without the diamonds. I just want a plain one because I prefer that look. But I just wanted to show you this one. And later I will try it on as a necklace and show to you as well. I feel like guiloche is going to be my next wishlist item, but this collection is so hard to spot in the store. I feel like I would have to pre-order, and my essay says I would have to wait at least 4 months, but that's okay. If anything, I can always change my mind. I like to have more time to think through. And if I end up getting a necklace, most likely I'll be getting the earrings as well, because I like to create a set, and I'm not sure if I'll be getting a bracelet. It could be too much. A bracelet, necklace and earrings, all of them are so shiny. No, definitely I would have to get only 2 items, and I feel like earrings are going to look amazing. And that's why actually I'm thinking I should get the necklace or the bracelet without the diamonds, because the set will just look so perfect. Anyways guys, I still have some time to think through, and I'll keep you in a loop. And by the way, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please consider to do so. I'm a huge fan of Van Cleef & Arpels jewelry, and I feel like I need to stay on target and just focus on this brand and collect the things that I need before I add anything else to my collection. It's very hard to stay focused, but I'll try to do so. Moving on to other items, actually my essay is suggesting to connect this big bracelet with my 5 motif bracelet, and it's gonna look like a beautiful necklace. I will try to do that and show to you as well. It's a cool idea, I never thought about it. And I previously tried on this bracelet in white gold. I will find this video and will add it to the description box below for you guys in case you want to check it out. Actually, it looks quite nice. You can make it as long as you want to or as short as you want to. I like that look. It's pretty cool. I never thought about it. And it would look great with big chunky sweaters. I like the combination of onyx, gray mother of pearl and white mother of pearl. And that's why I like Van Cleef jewelry. You can create so many different looks. The jewelry is so versatile, and I can actually connect it with my other 10 motif necklaces and create even longer look. And here you see the length. It's so nice. It's gorgeous. I like it. So that is actually the length with the 10 motif necklace when I join them both. And if I want to make it even longer, I could connect it with the 20 motif and it will be long. Really beautiful combination. I like it. What do you guys think about this idea? Please let me know in the comment section down below. Both lengths look so nice, and maybe I prefer the long one to the shorter one. I feel like the long one is a bit more elegant. And here is the bracelet on its own, and I paired it with my Cartier Love. I also like the way my Cartier Clash ring looks, and by the way, this ring is actually in pink gold, but Cartier pink gold is not the same as at other brands. It looks a little bit more yellow. That's why it's so easy to blend it in with my yellow gold jewelry, which is most of my jewelry nowadays. I like this bracelet as everything else in Van Cleef & Arpels, but I would have to think whether I should add it to my wish list. There are so many gorgeous items that I want, but I need to be realistic and plan for the next couple of years what I want to get. And by the way guys, I have previously posted my wish list video, which I will link down for you guys in the description box below. Since I have recently purchased 2 necklaces in onyx and white mother of pearl, I'm now thinking if I should just add the matching earrings in the vintage size. I already have mother of pearl earrings in the magic size, but I kind of want to add vintage, and earrings in onyx are just so beautiful. And I'm still considering whether I should add these earrings. I tried them on before. I wanted to see how they look with different outfit in a different light. It's a bit dark here. They look a little bit too dark. I will try to show you how they look in a different light. They are so gorgeous. When my essay put them on a tray and I was looking at them, I realized how much I like this combination. They are so pretty. Maybe I should get them instead of guiloche, but I don't know, it's so hard to decide. And you can see the light here is a bit different. They look so nice. Yeah, I will definitely add them back to my wish list. I love them, but I have to think about which ones I will add next. Should I really go for guiloche necklace and the earrings, or should I just get these ones? But then I will get guiloche much later. I mean, I cannot get everything on the same day. I have to space them out and be responsible. But whatever I buy next, I want to make sure I'll be using a lot, and I don't like to get items just for special occasions. Actually, I wear my 2 motif earrings quite often, but then again, I'm working from home now, and I usually run my errands or go for meals, for lunches or dinners. Anyways, something I will think about. Next up is this pendant, and for the longest time I used to think that I'm not necklaces or pendants person, but come on, I am. I think this one is pretty cool. You can adjust the length, you can make it shorter or longer, and I like the way it looks with the knitwear. I feel like it would also look amazing with the white t-shirt and a blazer on top, and maybe with jeans. I like how sparkly guiloche is. It's so nice and you can see it a kilometer away. You can literally have just this necklace and some understated earrings and you are done. The whole outfit will look amazing, and that's why I love Van Cleef & Arpels. Even in a dark light, it looks so sparkly. It still shines so bright. I love this collection. It's so gorgeous. Anyways guys, this is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you liked this video and found it interesting. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. Do consider subscribing to my channel, give this video a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram. Have a great day and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!